Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to hide Instagram following list. Now, if you don't want anyone to see your following list, there is a neat little trick that you can use in order to save yourself from this. Now, by default, if you have a professional or a business account or a public account, if you click on following, you will see that you can view all my following and followers as well. If you don't want this to happen, you will have to switch back to a personal account. So the first thing you want to do is to click on the top right corner to go into the menu. Then you can scroll down and see an option where it says creator tools and controls. In here, you can click on switch account type and you can click on switch to personal account. Click on switch to personal account again. And once the process is complete, you can go back to the menu again by clicking on the top right corner and you can go ahead and select the account privacy button. After this, you will have to convert your account into a private account. Yes, this is the only possible way through which you can hide your following list. Unfortunately, there's not another way through which you can do this. So yeah, once you have put yourself up as a private account, people will not be able to see your following list. But if they follow you, they'll be able to do that. So keep that in mind. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.